Hi Nykz squad, welcome back to my channel. It's a pleasure having you guys with me today. I'm gonna be preparing some fried chicken, better than KFC fried chicken, and I did this recipe before, but I'm doing an updated version. So the first thing that we need is to go ahead and have our oil hot. Showing you that step right now, and as you can see, I have some butter in there. So I have about a half quart of oil because I'm gonna be deep frying, and I've put in there a half tablespoon. No, not half tablespoon. I'm so sorry, guys. I put in there 3 tablespoons of butter, right? And I really like the flavor that the butter gives and the moisture that it gives to the chicken, especially that it's been deep fried, because I like a drier chicken than a wet chicken. And I've also added a Scotch bonnet pepper to the pot. Now this is gonna give it some additional flavor, guys. This is the secret. It's a key, guys. Drop that Scotch bonnet pepper in the pot, and I can assure you, if the pepper doesn't burst, it won't actually affect anyone in the home, right? So you don't want to cut that pepper, you just want to put a whole pepper in that oil and allow your oil to get extremely hot, right? So while the oil gets hot, what I'm gonna be doing is to take my chicken from the fridge. Actually went ahead, this is about 3 pounds of chicken, went ahead and jointed my chicken, washed it with vinegar and seasoned my chicken. So I've used all purpose, some chicken seasoning, some salt, some black pepper on this, as well as some Scotch bonnet pepper, right? So this was marinated overnight for maximum flavor, and we're gonna go ahead now and prepare our chicken for frying. And I don't know about you guys, but I love a good fried chicken, and I am a big fan of KFC fried chicken. This fried chicken is comparable. It's really nice, it's delicious, and guess what? You can make as much of it as you want. So anytime you want fried chicken, you can have it. This is more towards the original recipe side of the KFC fried chicken. So what we're gonna be doing now is to prepare our flour for dredging our chicken. Alright, so we're not gonna be using any liquid, so there's not gonna be any beaten egg for this. There's not gonna be any water. All we're gonna be doing is a single dipping method of this fried chicken. So I've added some salt to that flour, and that's about 4 cups of flour that I have in that bag. And I'm using a bag because it makes it easier, guys. You're able to just go ahead once you're finished and dispose of the bag and its contents. So it makes for a quicker and easier cleanup, as well as it actually gives you a good coating on your chicken. So I'm gonna go ahead now and add some jerk seasoning to this. And to the 4 cups of flour, this is about a teaspoon and a half of jerk seasoning. As I said before, I added salt to this as well. Now we're going to be adding some chicken seasoning, guys. And guys, it's important to season your chicken as well as your flour, if it is that you want to get that taste and that flavor, if you want that punch. And guys, I'm not tooting my own horn here, but my fried chicken is the bomb. I can tell you that it's the bomb. I've added a little bit of black pepper as well. And guys, I really like balancing flavors. So say for example, if I put salt in something, I'm gonna put a little black pepper depending on what it is. Now I'm putting in a little bit of egg powder, guys. That egg powder is what's gonna give me that color that I'm looking for. So as I was saying, if it is that I'm making sausage, if I put salt, I've always balanced with sugar. So I try to keep my food well balanced. So we're gonna go ahead and shake that bag up, guys. I'm gonna be shaking it good shake on it, because we want to incorporate all that seasoning all throughout the flour as well as the egg powder, so that we get a good coating on our chicken. And the perfect color once it is that we're finished frying that chicken. Alright, so guys, I also have another video on fried chicken, so I'm gonna go ahead and link that up so that you can go ahead and click on that and actually view that one. But I'm really loving this one that I just did. I think you're gonna go ahead and love and enjoy it too. Alright, so guys, now we're gonna go ahead and take our seasoned chicken and we're gonna be putting that into our flour mixture that we have in our bag. And we're gonna go ahead and do a good shake on that, because we want to get everything coated, flour in and all over that chicken, right? And you're seeing that little orange color that you're seeing to the flour already, that is coming from the egg powder that I actually added to the flour, right? So now that we are ready to start frying, our oil is completely hot, and as you can see for that pepper, it's really dark brown, and that's another way to judge how hot your oil is. So we're gonna go ahead now and add our chicken, guys. And it's always advisable for you to add your chicken the presentation side up. So I normally put my skin down first, presentation side down first in that hot oil, so that when you flip your chicken and if it is that you have crumbs dropping in the oil, it won't actually affect that presentation side. So you will have that gritty side that is normally your side with the skin if it is that you eat skin showing. And guys, I'm a skin lover. Once it is that my chicken is fried properly and done well and tastes good, I'm gonna eat that fried chicken skin. It's not good for you guys, but yeah, I like it. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead now and add our chicken, and we're not gonna overcrowd this pot, and we're gonna allow that chicken to just fry. And we're gonna deep fry this chicken, guys. It took about roughly 15-20 minutes to actually have it deep fried. I'm not gonna be covering this any at all. Normally I have different methods of frying my chicken. Sometimes I'll go ahead and once it is that it's fried on one side and I flip it over, I go ahead and cover, because what that does is to generate steam in the pot and actually help the chicken to be juicy and not dried out. But for this one, I'm just gonna be open deep frying, so it's not gonna be covered any at all. And you're gonna see that crispiness and that beautiful color that I'm getting on this chicken. Look at that, guys. Just look in that pot and you see how the oil is not it's not clear. It's frying up, but it's not clear. Once it is that your chicken is done, and this is one way to tell if your chicken is done, guys, you realize that your oil is frying rapidly and it's clear. Because once it is that you add the chicken with the flour, it normally gets a little bit cloudy, and you're gonna be seeing it in this clip. See, this chicken is almost done. It's almost ready, almost done. Just want to get some more color on it. And I do have 2 big chicken thighs in this pot. So what I'm gonna do is take out the chicken thighs last, because I want to ensure that they are fried thoroughly. I don't want anybody to bite in their chicken and see blood. That's not nice, guys. So we're gonna go ahead now, guys, and chicken is finished. We drained that chicken on some paper towels and we've presented it to you. Guys, let me know if you want to get the recipe for the best chicken gravy. And this is without putting chicken in there, guys. It's the bomb. Guys, look at that fried chicken. Oh my gosh, just in love with this. Guys, go ahead and try and let me know how it turned out. Comment below, and thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed already, guys, go ahead and hit that subscription button, and also follow my social pages. Thank you for joining me today for this recipe, and look out for my rice and peas recipe dropping shortly too, guys. And thank you, Nykz Squad. See you in my next video. Chuka 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 chuka. A chuka 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 chuka. A chuka chuka chuka. Achuka chuka 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 chuka. Hey, achuka chuka 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 chuka.